Whoa, pause right here. This defendant just brought a child into court. Not only is that a risky move, but judges see right through it. Bringing your baby won't soften the sentence when your record screams trouble. Watch what happens next. The judge is not having it.
Your kid to court because you know you're going to go to jail?
No, Your Honor.
Don't play games with me.
I'm not playing.
Don't play games with me. I don't want people playing games with me.
I don't play any type of.
Listen, you better call somebody and have them come and get that child. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, and then we're going to call the case. What I'm going to do, I'm not quite sure, but I've seen this little trick before. I mean, I didn't just get here 2 months ago, okay? We'll call somebody, get the child. I'll call a case when we're ready. And I'm telling you, if you leave, you're going to have a big problem with me. You understand what I'm telling you?
Yes, Your Honor.
People against Tyarius Travante Bryant. 2-4, please, 716-3361. Are you guys here on this case, victims? No. Okay.
They're not.
All right, Mr. Carmen, your name?
Michael A. Carmen, P73824 on behalf of them.
Mr. Bryant, come on to the podium, state your name. According to you, you're, I want to ask again. Let's just double check it, Mr. Timberly Dennis, Durley, Margarita Bruno Hayward, Joseph Matthews. Are any of those individuals, bring Mr. Mohammed?
Yes.
Any of those individuals in here today? All right, it does not appear as though they're on Zoom. They did not step forward on the case when called. Mr. Carmen, why don't you and your client approach the podium?
Let's talk legal damage control. The defense is painting him as a working family, man employed, stable, parenting. That's a classic mitigation tactic. But here's the twist. It only works if the rest of your life isn't screaming criminal. Pattern. Keep an eye on how the judge handles that contradiction.
Please then tell me whether or not there's any material additions, corrections, or deletions.
Your Honor, as far as his employment status, he, since January of 2024, has been working at Cosmic Comics, both in Livonia and Fraser. Both locations earned $340 a week. They'll lose that job if he has to go to jail. He has been living in Romulus with his girlfriend. They've been together since 2019. They have 2 children together, ages 1 and 7 months. I just made arrangements for her to pick up the 7-month-old. Your Honor, he's not been incarcerated in several years. He does have a pending matter in Wayne County that's set for sentencing next Monday.
Mr. Mohammed, your name?
Good morning, Your Honor. Mohammed on behalf of the people.
You wrote down full restitution on this. I just want you to be aware, this is the B&E vehicle to steal property, 200 or more. I just want you to be aware that none of the victims are here. Or less than 200, I'm sorry. This he pled the count. Count 2 was dismissed. He pled. Lisa, just confirm that my understanding is correct. It looks like he pled guilty to count 1, which is the 1 year, and count 2 was dismissed. Is that true?
That's correct.
So I just want you to be aware of that.
And Judge, I apologize. Which case is this?
This is Triarius Travante Bryant. It's a B&E vehicle to steal property, 200 or more, but less than 1,000. It's a 1 year. So I just want you to be aware. I called the names. You're not here. You just put down PSI full restitution, and none of them show. So I'm not going to order any restitution out of this.
And Judge, may I ask, does the court send notices to them or?
Yeah, we did send those.
Okay.
The probation department did when I ordered the pre-sentence report.
So,
Okay.
I understand, Judge. Thank you.
All right. Anything else, Mr. Carmen?
Yeah, this is my client, Is, the care and custody of 2 young children, with his girlfriend that he lives with. If he's gotta go to jail, it's gonna be very hard on our young family.
We should think about these things before we go out and continue to steal. I mean, seriously,
I understand you.
I don't know if you do or not. I find it a little hard to believe. I mean, you could sit and give me lip service, but you had a RNC motor vehicle in 2021, you had a domestic, where you didn't comply with probation in 22. Conviction was entered on that. You had a retail fraud 23, were just convicted of felony retail theft in Illinois. We have another case you're bound over to the 33rd, I'm sorry, bound over from here, stealing or retaining without consent a financial transaction device. If that's the case he's going to be sentenced on?
Yes, Your Honor, and there's a sentencing agreement in that case of 2 years probation.
I mean, that's great.
Letting just informing the court.
No, I get it. I'm just telling you, he's got it, bench warrants on.
Now here's where the rap sheet unrolls like a CVS receipt: felony, retail theft, financial fraud, domestic charges. The judge isn't just sentencing a case, he's sentencing a lifestyle. Ask yourself, at what point does a court stop believing you're turning your life around?
The 34th for assault and battery. Bench warrant out of the 52nd for retail fraud 3. The bench warrant for retail fraud 3 out of Southgate. Retail fraud bench warrant out of the 16th. You all got any of those?
Yes, Your Honor.
When?
I've been taking care of the warrants since I've been out here on and
Lisa, can you run his lien again for me, please? This lien
Sure.
is a few days old. Let me just double check.
And my client indicated he's contacted those courts.
You contact.
yes, Your
What
Honor.
do you mean?
I contacted those courts and they told me that I have to turn myself in and schedule.
Well, you haven't taken care of the warrants then, have you?
No, I have been taking care of some of the warrants, Your Honor.
I'm sorry?
I have been taking care of a
All
number.
right, I'm gonna just check with her and see. Now you're breaking into cars. I mean, I don't know what to tell you. You've been unemployed and then you were working at Fast Splash Car Wash. You collected money on a bridge card. You need to go back and get a GED or a diploma. You need to work harder. I don't know why you're not working. You need to work. That's your decision though. But to go out and support a family by thieving all the time is not the answer.
Your Honor, he is working, and I updated the court on that.
I know you did, but still, this report was just done, right? This report was just, let me just double check this. I ordered the pre-sentence report on March 25th. I'm just telling you that they reported then that he was unemployed for the past 8 months. Why were you unemployed for the 8 months preceding that report?
I wasn't unemployed, Your Honor. I was just helping my baby mother going through the postpartum and dealing with the kids. I was still working.
Well, you told them you were unemployed. Reports being unemployed for the past 8 months.
And I don't know why I put that, and I shouldn't have put that. I've been working since January 2024.
All right. Lisa, you don't see any of those other warrants. I think you just answered my question. You don't see any other warrants cleared out of the locations I just mentioned, right?
I'm just running it right now. Give me 1 second.
Sure, take your time.
No, I don't see any other warrants.
You don't see what?
I don't see any other warrants.
Well, I'm just saying, see the lien in here, but probation reported open warrants issued the 37th District Court, 16th, the 28th, the 34th, and the 52-3 District Court. Do you see any of those warrants on his lien now?
No, I just ran it and I do not see any warrants.
Good. All right, well, anything else?
Nothing, Your Honor.
He did not spend any time in jail on this, correct?
No,
Where's the child now?
She's going around.
I'm sorry,
She's going around.
was the mother of the child here?
No, she wasn't here. Someone else came and picked her up.
Supposed to mean like you become a professional thief. 200 fines, 400 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment, 7.25 and 40 days jail. You'll serve 325 more if you don't pay your fines and costs. I'll let you pay those at the rate of $75 per month. And I will let that start beginning on June the 15th. If you don't have the money at any point, you call the court. I'll be happy to give you an extension. You have 21 days to appeal, 14 days to apply for the court. Good luck to you. I wish you well.
That's fine.
Thank you. It's Mr. Strong out there.
Okay, Your Honor. Is my connection better with my video off?
Yeah, it is. Okay, but next time I'm gonna have to have you either here or in a place where I can see you. What is
I
going
understand,
on
Your
back
Honor.
there? Hang on one second. Lisa, what is going on back there in the jail? I don't feel comfortable handling this right now. Can you give me a minute? Something's going on back in the jail.
Yeah,
there.
Judge, we got the guys back there right now. You want to take a quick break?
Yeah, I'm gonna take a quick break. I'm gonna
Michael.
I'm gonna have to take a break. Something's going on in the jail there, the lockup. Just give me a minute, please. Stay seated, go off the record. John, you tell him one more word. Listen, one more word. I want to go out. Tell him he's gonna get 30 more days. Okay.
All the grave and judge already went down.
Mr. Ron, 2B 716-3361. Mr. Bryant, you need.
Here is Brian.
Listen. I'm not gonna put up with you yelling and screaming back there anymore.
Uh-oh, here comes the courtroom meltdown. This guy is about to go off on the judge live, loud and unfiltered. And folks, that's how you earn contempt of court real quick. This isn't a street argument, it's a courtroom. You scream, you sit. With 30 more days,
I have to call you out here again. I'm gonna give you 30 days for contempt on top of the time that I just gave you. 30. You don't get to act like that. I hope you clearly and fully understand me. If you don't, I'm gonna have you out. Because I would hear you again. And then I'm gonna lock you up for 30 days. And we're gonna do this all day long. You're not gonna make a scene here in the courtroom. That sentencing, if anything, was too light. I'm not playing with you,
How is it too late?
Mr.
I have a judge that I gotta go to felony court. This is district court. I got sentencing on felony court.
Knock it off. Knock it off. And go tell them. You have 5 or 6 felony, you have 5 or 6 theft offenses, you're breaking into people's cars. Just think you could make a living by being a thief?
But I'm not a thief.
Oh, okay. Have a seat in the back, speak up again, you're getting 30 more days, I promise you, that's not a threat, it's a promise.
Bro, I don't give a fuck.
Good, come here, contempt of court, bring them up.
No, bro.
You're gonna send another.
You're gonna get. I got people saying, you know, I don't care. You know, not the moon, kill me. People stop for kill me. Be run over flat. Run this shit over. At all. At all. So I got surgery on Monday now. You got fuck on my shit. I'm 50. Oh my man. Stop. Fuck with me.
All right, Mr. Klein. Settle down.
You off, man.
Come here.
No, you're gonna get taken, bro. Taste me, Jimmy. Taste me.
We don't want it. We don't.
Taste me. Stop resisting. Like I got kids that I never ran by myself.
You ain't making it ain't dying.
You keep making it seem like I'm just a thief. I gotta prove that I was see what you're doing. I gotta prove.
This right here is courtroom chaos, turned therapy session. He's trying to shift the narrative. I'm not a thief. Society's the problem. But the court doesn't care about your philosophy, just your charges. This breakdown won't fix his record, or the judge's patience.
First,
Knock it off.
hey, listen to me.
Right.
Look at this. You're making it twice as bad.
Mr. Bryant, go back in the back. I'm gonna let bygones be bygones, except for the initial jail term. One more word and I'm telling you, you're doing 30 more days.
How many days?
Enough. Enough. Just control yourself.
Okay.
Stop stealing.
Yeah, it is like already. Yeah, bro. Go inside, go to the other side.
It's real good problems out here, in real life, bro. And y'all just be locking the fuck up for no reason, bro. I never understood that, bro. But a woman come in the king, bro. Don't let her go. She be good. A woman be good, bro. A woman be good, bro. I can't even talk to you, bro.
I understand.
I have one.
Bring it.
Who did he do that to you, right? No, I know who did that to you, right? I didn't hit him, Judge. I didn't hit him, Judge. Go stand up, Judge.